Welcome, awesome people! Growing an online business on a small budget is achievable with the right approach. You can begin by investing in a simple professional website on platforms like WordPress or Shopify. Utilize free or affordable tools like Auber for email marketing, Canva for design, and Buffer for social media scheduling to keep costs low. Content marketing is also key. Regularly sharing blog posts, guides, or videos can attract organic traffic and build trust. Partner with micro-influencers or encourage user-generated content to expand your reach authentically. Retaining customers is cost-effective, so focus on loyalty through personalized follow-ups and rewards. Use also analytics to track what's working, allowing you to optimize your strategies without overspending. Above all, focus on small, consistent efforts for sustainable growth, proving that success doesn't require a huge budget. So, check out the link in description for more suggestion. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.